Good day, my friend.
How to play back the voice function. For example, you forget something that had some information from pilot or BTS. Here in GRC VHF, you can play back. So let's go. So first, you can go to menu. Then after that one, you can go here in the voice function. Then after that one, playback. Then if you can see, for example, like this one, some other message, some other call. So this is the good thing here in GRC VHF. You can play back this recorded conversation from pilot, BTS, or other vessel if you don't understand their fully.